4 a.m. They are too much noisy because they want to go out to make pee and to make a poo. Yep. Yeah, I like dog because I want to walk with. Because I had a dog last time when I'm young because I'm old now. Somebody, that ordinary dog only. But when I come back from school, I cried a lot because they killed my dog. Someone take it and eat, and when somebody drank in the street, they killed the dog, my dog, and then they ate. I'm so sad, really. Uh, like breakable moment. Sobrang nasaktan ako, grabe as in. Kasi because when I'm come back from the school, the dog, even I'm very far away, he always stay there and wait for me until I come. And then that time when I come home, he's gone. And he's a good dog. I don't know why they will they will eat and kill the dog. The dog, the dog can protect you. They loves you. They are seem like a human also. You treat them like a human being. Hi, 6 viewers. I had a puppy too. It was a beagle. I had two birds. I want birds. Two hamster. We have rabbit, too much rabbit last time. It's white and fishes, but they all we given away by my. Oh, I want the rabbit only. And one kitten, her name was Simba. Wow, it's so cute because she looked like she looked like him. You are so cute. Who look like? Simba. I know that Simba. It's a movie, yeah? Oh, I have to go. Sorry. Bye. Oh, see you. Bye. Krisa, take your time. Thank you, sa. Thank you for staying in my life, ha? Take care. Regards to your family. Bye-bye. I'm still here waiting for them. For the kids finish. They are playing. They are playing football. The clouds is still dark. I think it's rainy. It's hard rain. I want to go out on Saturday. I hope there's no rain. Guys, this building is all India. This is compound of India. This one is all full of India people. Yes, they are all India. Danny, are you happy? That's the one I'm taking care of. Ay, naku, Danny. The kids is enjoying playing in the rain. Hello, 3 viewers. Shout out. Thank you for the likes, guys. Ah! Be careful. I'm here. I'm sitting in the flower. Flower. This is our standby. Dito kami nagtatambay. Kaso maulan eh.